Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Code.org, Course F, Lesson 1, Functions in Minecraft. So here.
The instructions say, you made it across. Now get Steve safely through the maze to collect the diamond axe. The diamond axe is right there.
And now you don't need to collect the diamond. So we have to code this agent to do pressure plate to open the door. Because Steve can't open the door, see? And let's press space to use it. See? It can't open the door. So we need to get the agent to go to the pressure plate. Right here. How many move forwards do we need?
2.
So let's snap a move forward block with a repeat block. Then, should we turn right or left?
Right.
Right. Whee! Now, how many move forward do we need again?
2.
So let's snap a repeat block with a move forward. Now let's run it. Now let's collect the diamond axe. Clap, clap, clap. We complete. Now let's press continue. Yay! So here, instructions.
Oh no, the bridge is out. Code the agent to rebuild the bridge using the place block so that Steve can get to the diamond shovel.
Diamond shovel right here. So the agent can walk on water with. Remember? On our other videos. So I need to place a block so Steve can go on the blocks to get the diamond shovel. There's a creeper here, but we can't get onto it. Okay. So we plate how many times?
3.
3 times. Okay. Now we place. What kind of block do you want?
Oak planks.
I want a sand. Now, you need to move forward after you place it. Let's see if it works. No, because we need it repeated 4 times. Because I placed a sand block right here. Now there's a bridge. Let's move Steve to go. We can walk onto the agent. It's like it's invisible. Now we collect it. We complete. Press continue. You cannot throw these blocks away, but you can edit them. Another river, but this one is much wider.
Fix this code to help the agent build a bridge so that Steve can get to the diamond pickaxe.
Diamond pickaxe right here. You need to code the agent to place blocks again to go here. So it has codes. Let's run it. Is it? Dang. But let's see. Will it work? No, because Steve can't walk on water, and the bridge is not complete. So how many move forwards do we need?
5.
Let's go. 5. Now let's run. And follow that agent to get the diamond pickaxe.
We did it.
We got the diamond pickaxe. Puzzle 7 completed. Congratulations.
Remember to smash the like button
And subscribe to our channel.